Hi guys, just want to do a really quick video on how I've produced this shot. So let me just turn the lights on quickly and I can show you how I've set this up. So it's really basic. I mean, I'm in a really small office here. This is, you know, a really small room. So I've got my studio lights. There's one, and that is plugged into my my flash trigger over here. See that blinking away? And that's obviously plugged into the top of the camera. Got my other studio light over there, and I've got my speed light plugged in behind. That speed light is firing light at the board at the back, which is what is creating the glow behind the bottle. Obviously you're looking at the reflection in the perspex. In fact, you can even see the blind to the right hand side, which I intend to crop out. Bottle is on perspex, and I've got a piece of white card behind the bottle. Now, this is something that I learned from watching the Carl Taylor training videos. It's really worth subscribing, even if it's for a few months. It's £12 a month. It's, you know, not going to break the bank, and he teaches you some really cool stuff. I'll put a link to the video. I'll put a link in the video to his website. But basically, one of the things he tells you is to hold the torch of your iPhone to the centre of the lens to create a shadow of the bottle on a piece of paper. You then cut round the bit of paper, and it creates a bit of you know, white paper that the camera lens can't see. So if you look at this photo here, for example, bear with me a second, let me try and get this in focus. Choose the light, so you can't see the white card. You can see the reflections in the bottle from the lights, but you can't see the white bit of paper behind the bottle. And yeah, that's one of the really cool tricks that you learn from watching his videos. I'm shooting on black perspex, and yeah, that's it really. I hope this has been useful and that it inspires you to, you know, do a shot like this at home. There's nothing high tech here. These lights, these studio lights, are about £100 on eBay. Obviously the flash is a little bit more. The trigger, again, you know, I think that was probably about £50. Yeah, so a real sort of basic setup. Nothing, you know, not hundreds and hundreds of pounds worth of equipment here to get a fairly decent shot. I hope it's been useful. Thanks. Bye.